when you hire somebody as an information architect, what sort of skills do you look for? What kind of people make good information architects?
Well, uh, I think that's a very good question. I mean, if you take a look at the people who come to information architecture, some of my colleagues, a lot of my kind of esteemed colleagues, you see that they come from very, very wide backgrounds. You see people coming from business, you see people coming from graphic design, you see people coming from library sciences, as well as people like me who actually come from architecture. But I think one thing that we definitely have that is consistent, I think, is an attention to detail, you know, and also I think wanting to organize things, I think that's just we see something that's unorganized and we just inherently want to organize these things in meaningful ways. And I think finally, I think what's absolutely essential is not just the ability around detail, ability around organizing things, but ability to see through other people's eyes. That is, I think, absolutely key, because it's about understanding what the users want to see and the ability to put yourself in the shoes of the users, whether that be a user that is a student, or a user that is an academic, a user that is a researcher or a policymaker. In most of our cases, we're working with nonprofit organizations. Being able to actually embody those people and see through the perspective, the eyes of those people, is absolutely essential.
Great. And I know that you have more than one iSchool student who's come through your doors and worked with you guys.
Right. We've had two. We have two wonderful previous iSchool students. One as an information architect and one as a senior project officer. They're both absolutely fabulous to work with.